object, perspective, draw in perspective. Now from here you will define which perspective you want, 1 point, 2 point or 3 point. I'll go for 2 points. I'll press enter or spacebar. Very easily you can adjust the horizontal line over here. Now take a rectangle. I will also increase the density of the grid lines. I'll keep it 50%. Now this is my left plane. Now I'll go for right plane. And now the top one. Zoom little bit. Take a rectangle tool. Can you see? Very easily you can create 3D objects or shapes in CorelDRAW.